Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a deep fat fryer from Royal Catering. With this capacity of 10 litres, it is perfect for bistros, cafes, restaurants or food trucks. So before I do some frying and I prepare some gyoza dumplings, let me go through some of the details. As I mentioned, the capacity of the oil tank is 10 litres, but an operational capacity of around 5.5 when it's up to the maximum level. There's actually a marking on the heating element on how much oil you need. And it is very important to check the oil level regularly, because when it goes below the minimum level, the device may overheat, it will trip the safety, and then you have to wait for it to cool down, to reset and heat up again, which takes time, and that you usually don't have during service. When it's overfilled, when you drop something inside, it may go over the edges, and it's never good to have splashing oil everywhere. The heating element itself is quite efficient. It works with 3.2 kilowatts of power, and in order to install it, all you need to do is just plug it in. So before I do some frying, and I prepared some gyoza dumplings to be fried later on, let me go through some of the details. So first of all, it is quite efficient. It works with 3.2 kilowatts of power, and in order to install it, all you need is a wall socket. With a capacity of 10 litres and 5.5 litres of operational capacity, it will heat up really quickly. There's a marking on the heating element on how much oil you need to pour in. And I cannot stress enough how important it is to check your oil levels regularly, because when it goes below the minimum level, the device may overheat and it will trip the safety, and you will have to wait until it cools down to reset it and heat it up again, which takes a lot of time. So just check it. Also very important not to overfill it, because when it's over the maximum level, when you drop something inside, the oil may go over the edges, and you have hot splashing oil all over the place. Alright, so moving down to controls. There's only one control. There's a temperature dial. It also doubles as a on and off switch. So when it's on 0, the device is not working. When you turn it up to the desired temperature, in my case 170 degrees, and you can set it between 60 and 200, it will start working. So you see the heating indicator. The orange light lights up as soon as you turn up the temperature. It means the device is heating. Once it reaches the desired temperature, it will turn itself off, and you may see it blinking during service. That means the automated temperature control works, because it will hold the desired temperature for as long as you need it. Green one, of course, indicates that the electricity is on. Alright, after service, it's time for cleaning. And in this case, it is very easy. So in case something falls into the basket and you just need to fish it out, you just need to tilt the heating element upwards. It will lock itself in that position. You can fish out whatever you need, and you can put it back in. Obviously, you can take the heating element completely out for a thorough clean. If you need to take the cover off, there's 4 screws right there. So you can take the cover off and clean the heating element. For changing the oil, the whole tank is removable. So you just wait for it to cool down, you take it out, you empty it to a proper vessel, and refill it, and you're ready for the next day's service. Alright, so let's do some frying now. Let's drop my gyoza into the hot oil, very gently, give it a shake so they separate. By the way, this basket is also in the set, and in the set also you get this cover. Well, many people ask me what this is for. Some use it as a splash cover, but in my opinion, it doesn't work this way. First of all, because water condensates on the lid and it drops back in the oil, creating more splashes. It is more for covering the device after service, when the oil is already cooled down, in order to protect it from dust or debris or whatever may fall inside. So it's ready for the next day's service. Alright, so my dumplings will take around a minute. I have a little bit of time to emphasize all the basic features of it. So you have the stainless steel construction, removable oil tank with a capacity of 10 litres and an operational capacity of 5 litres. You have the heating element that is removable and you can tilt it upwards for cleaning purposes. Very simple controls and very good looks. Very efficient engine with 3.2 kilowatts of power. Alright, so if you're interested in fryers, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of those on offer with different sizes, with double barrels and so on, so you definitely find the one that you need for your business. With this one you get a 3-year warranty, and it will be coming to you in a really sturdy box just like this one, with lots of styrofoam in it for a safe journey. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. And this is a really important bit. Just make sure you have a read before you use the device first time. There's a lot of information on how to prepare the device for its first use, how to clean it, how to operate it, and so on. So definitely a good read. Alright, so my dumplings are ready. When it's ready, you can hang the basket on these 2 bolts, just for the oil to drip down back to the basin. And that's what the machine does. Really great result in a really short time. So if you found this informative, just let me know in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.